Make sure you turn off the power for the switch before you remove the old one. Remove the old one. We're going to install this Intermatic 60-minute timer. It's going to have a couple screws in the back. You're going to insert it in the load side and line side. Don't screw it all the way because we're going to insert on those line and load side the wiring. We're going to turn on the power back on to test which side of the wire, which side is the line of the circuit, and define with our power tester, and that wire is going to go to the line side of the switch. Turn off the power, tighten that screw for the line side first, and then you can connect the load side and you put it in nicely into the electrical box. Tighten it, make sure it's leveled, and also when you are putting it into the box, make sure that that top sign arrow is facing up. That means it's being inserted, it's being mounted correctly when you have that arrow sign facing up. You're going to put the plate on, screw those all 4 trim screws, white trim screws, and then you're going to put the label sign, and it will have this little nut that holds it, and then that control. So that's it. That's the installation.